Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold. Money rain from the sky, go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest, go gangster, simply the best. Tick-tock, the time goes by, golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more, go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold. Money rain from the sky, go gangster touching high. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every grade, every hold. Money rain from the sky, go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest, go gangster, simply the best. Tick-tock, the time goes by, golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more, go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud, go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls, aiming for those trading goals.
Yo, what's up, YouTube? What's going on? Let's get this music rolling here, boys. Let's get the music going. Okay, we're ready here. I was doing some good stuff this morning, man. I got the analysis all played out here, got the break-even stop, so you know exactly what's going on here. We got the sales below here on a closure. We got the buys above here with the break-even stops right there, and we're ready to roll here this morning. I'd really like these sales here because I drew this trend line out, and if we start to go on these sales, we can really start to dump. If we start to get down here on these sales, buddy, we can start to dump, and I hope you're here early because it looks like we may be getting one here in 50 seconds if we get a closure below here. Closure below here, baby. We're gonna get in a sale. What's up, Kuya Dave, Ohio? What's going on, man? TTBZ, the market was dead all night. This news must be big as NFP. We'll see here, man. I don't know. I don't know about no news here. I just trade what I see. What we got on the news? Let's see. News. Right here in the Discord. Tells us all the news going on this morning. Unemployment claims at 8:30. Flash PMI 945. So only thing I got to worry about is 8:30 a.m. I got to be aware here. I wish Apex was running a 90% off sale. Yo, Luna, what's going on, man? Luna's in here. Luna, what's up, man? Yo, dude, Luna, I was wondering, how did you get that sick XP thing on your stream? I got your stream up on the side over here. I'm just gonna be watching. Hakeem, what's up? Josh Trapper. Josh is whoa, we're about to get a pump up here. I traded this time because I used to trade at London, but you know, working and the girlfriend and stuff, it's hard getting up during the London session. And then the New York session, I am at work. So I trade the pre-market here. I like to get on a little pre-market party. Oh yeah, Luna, I feel that. Trying to get some payouts. I'm always trying to get some payouts. I know, Luna, I got your stream on the side over here. You're not on yet. I was gonna be watching. Yash, what's up, man? What's up, Yash? Yeah, I looked it up and it said it was a experimental feature. I didn't know if you like applied for it or something. That's pretty sweet though. I like that. It's cool, man. It's pretty sweet. Oh yeah, TTBZ. I was skeptical to trade the pre-market. I was like, man, that London Open treat me nice. But I need some sleep, man. I need some sleep. Josh Tepper, love it, man. Nice, simple approach. Oh yeah, keep it simple. Keep it simple here. I mean, if you want to get technical here, we had a, for the ICT traders, beautiful inversion on the 1 minute. I was looking here. So I was more biased here to the long side. Looks like we're about to pump it up here, boys. We about to pump. We about to pump. We got this inversion, a retest of the inversion, and now we're pumping it up here, baby. Man, is it going to go without us, though, is the question. Is it going to go without us? Tell you what here. What time is it? We got 3 minutes. I think it's just going to go, man. I think it's just going to go. Might want to get in here. I might want to get in. I feel like it has a good chance to get to that break-even stop at least. Big old candle there, though. Be hard to place your stop on that. How many points? How many points is that right there? About 30 points. That's a big old stop. Big old stop right there. But it's going. Big old stop. I like the trade. I like the trading view charts, dude. I'm not gonna lie. But I don't have my analysis drawn up over here. I'm gonna keep it over here. I like the trading view charts, man. They're just clean and simple. I mean, they're basically the same thing. I'll just redraw it over here. Let me just redraw it over here. .50. Break even, stop it. Right there at that wick. Oh, it's about to smash it. About to smash it here. But we missed it. Thing's pumping, boys. It's pumping. 21251.50. 21251.50. That's gonna be target 1. Then we got, sorry, I'm not looking at the chat right now. I'm getting this chart set up over here. 21327.25. That's going to be the full buy TP. All right, let me see here. If we get, man, that candle's just too big there. I don't know if I want to get in a long here. It looks good, but your stops would have to be humongous. I'd have to have a humongous stop. Yo, Stefan, what's up? What's up, Brandon Slevin? Sorry, guys. Buy's looking good though. Just that last 5-minute candle's huge, so it's hard to get a stop, you know. But I'm trying to get these charts set up over here. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's about to hit that break even. Okay, whatever. I'll just keep this chart up. Easier, I already got it anyway. And you can just see my executions over here. Dang, man, I hate us going. It's just that last 5-minute candle was humongous, man. I can't get into this because my stop would have to be all the way down here. And that's too big. Too big for me, man. What's up, Brandon? It's going good. We just sitting here waiting. Sitting here waiting. I wish I could have gotten this buy here, but you know, I didn't like the risk to reward going on. Didn't like this. Oh, it's going, boys. It's pumping. It's pumping. What's gold doing? Gold's dumping, dude. Dude, look at this. Hang on. Look at this here, man. I chicken butted out of this. Chicken butted out, dude. Gold short yesterday at 9:46 p.m. I said I was looking at a gold short. Look at it. God, dude, you gotta be kidding me here. Well, I would have been in trouble anyway. It pumped up way much and then dumped. But dude, it pumped up. But I did get out. But then it dumped. Is NQ flying up here or what, dude? There it goes. NQ going to the moon here. I should have just entered. God. I shouldn't have entered, man. It's just this candle was humongous. Candle was humongous there, man. I didn't. It'd been hard. Cause look, if I entered this trade right here, I would have had to have my stop loss would have had to been like below that candle. And that's just too big, man. Too big. Still a 1-to-1. I could have entered. God, I could have. Dadgummit. 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 Thing's pumping. It's pumping. For the ICT traders, on the 1-minute chart here, we had a beautiful inversion. A beautiful inversion right here on the 1 minute. Started running up, a little retest, and then a pump. Let's see though. I may. Oh yeah, Brandon. I actually want the shorts more. I'm not gonna lie. Because once this thing starts to go short, it's gonna run all this. You see, we've got trend line liquidity. They call this trend line liquidity. So once it starts to go short, it's just gonna run all of this all the way down. So that would be nice to see there, man. I kind of want this to be a fake out. I want this to be a fake out here. If we get a little... I want this to dump. I'm not gonna lie. I want it to dump. I want it to dump. I wanted to dump, guys. Kind of look at it without the drawings over here too. Sometimes the drawings can get, look, this is the 30-minute chart here. Looks like it might have been a fake out. Might have been a fake out there, boys. It might be coming down. Oh, man. Man, what's going to happen here? They would have got stopped at break even anyway, boys. Would have got stopped at the break even stage. Dude, I really want this short. If we get a close, below, you know, if we get an inversion on this 5-minute here, I may go short. Not gonna lie. Inversion right here. I'm gonna get in a short. We got 2 minutes. 2 minutes here. Just the risk reward, dude. So good. So good here. Waiting on a closure. If we get a closure under here, I may just take this bad boy short. Fake out up into this fair value gap, dude. Beautiful. Beautiful. Could be great. Could be a fantastic short coming on here. You know, could have been a fantastic short going on here. We got a fair value, 5-minute fair value gap right there. A fake out to take out all these stops here and get everybody long just to bring it back short. Sounds like something they do. And then go run all this all the way back down here. Man, come on. Give us an entry here. Give us an entry. I want to get in. I want to get in. We got 65 people in here, man. Smash that like button. We only got 19 measly likes here. And we're about to catch a banger. So you might want to hit that like button because we're about to take this thing short and go for a ride. We're about to go for a ride, baby. We about to go for a ride. Any kind of move back up here, I'm getting in short. Any kind of move back up here. Any kind of retracement here. All right, I'm in. I'm in here, boys. I'm in here, boys. I'm in this short here. Can we bring it down? Can we dump it? Can we dump it down? Can we get a dump? A dump here? See, but this is just why I don't like using this chart right here. It puts these other lines on here, and it makes it hard to see our lines that I drew out here. Let's get a dump, baby. Dump it. Avishal, I'm in 2 minis right now on a 150K account. Kind of big size here. I kind of should have only entered 1, but YOLO. YOLO. Can we get down here? Can we dump it down, baby? Give me a dump. Give me a massive dump here, baby. Let's get a dump down. Smash that like button. We're in a trade here. Smash the like button. Hit it. Hit it. Hit the like button. What prop firms is everybody trading with? What's your favorite prop firm right now? What's your favorite prop firm? Type it in the chat. I need to know. I'm on the hunt. I'm looking for prop firms. I need the best deal going on right now, man. I need cheap accounts, big payouts. That's what I like. That's what I like. Cheap accounts, big payouts. Brandon Slevin says TPT. Kuyaz says TPT. Man, I hope y'all are smashing code SLADE on that. You know, they say it's a good luck charm when you use code SLADE at Take Profit Trader. Top Step. TTBZ says Top Step. Another Phidias to pay out today. 10 trading in the chat. We got 10 trading, a celebrity in here. Phidias. Phidias does. They're a sleeper. Phidias is the sleeper pick. Let's go. I hope we're on the right side here because 10 trading's in the short too. So hopefully we're on the right side. Come on, dude. Don't do us like this. I should have waited till a retest of this gap here right there would have been a phenomenal entry, but I just didn't know if it would retap that or not. Entry right here would be phenomenal though. Beautiful entry. But it doesn't always retest the gap there. Come on, give us a dump. Give us a dump. You know you want to. If you dump down here, you could go a long way, NASDAQ. If you dump it, you could just run all this right here. Have a good day. You want to have a dump day, don't you? Skies. Yeah, I'm in a short here. Could get in a beautiful entry right here. We had an inversion, and now it's retesting the inversion. Could have a great risk-reward entry right here. I just didn't know if it would come up and tap the inversion or not, so I entered on a little pullback after this candle closed. I waited on a little pullback, and I entered. But this is the good entry right here. And it's retapping this gap. Good entry. Now, if it closes above this gap, I might start getting a little worried here. I'm not going to lie. If we close above this gap, I might get a little worried. Sky said, missed it. Just woke up. Well, my risk is right here. We got news in 10 minutes? What kind of news? I thought it was at 8:30. Thought it was at 8. It's at 8:30. It's in an hour and 10 minutes. Hour and 10 minutes, 10. Come on, man. Don't scare me like that. Gosh, we need a dump. We need a dump here. Oh gosh. NQ chopping it up around here now. Come on. Not looking good. Not looking good here. Initial jobs claims in 10. Uh-oh. Well, I hope it dumps. I hope it dumps. Oh no. Oh no. Not looking beautiful here. Not looking beautiful. We need a dump. We need a dump right now. What's up, Krister? How's it going? There we go. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. Oh, boys. Oh, buddies. I don't like this. I want it to, if it makes a hard rejection right here, it'll be looking beautiful, though. Same, Rob. I mean, I just figured maybe the inversion will give me good luck today, but I'm not gonna lie, the inversions have been failing me a lot. That's why I really just stick to support and resistance now, trend lines. The inversions have not been treating me well here. But this looked pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. It looks pretty good because we got a big old move up, right? And above all these kind of wicks and stuff, and then a huge candle down. And it tapped into this gap right here. Tapped into this fair value gap, so it looks like a good, fake out candle. Looks like a good fake out setup is the reason why I entered it. It's the reason why I entered this trade. It looks like a beautiful fake out. See, we got this range here. We got this range. And then boom, one big candle, completely retraced it all. Looks like a good fake out. So let's see if it plays out here. Let's see if it can play out for us. And dump. That's looking good. That's looking good. Can we close it down here? Yeah. Push, baby. Push it down. Push it down, baby. Yeah. Yo, we got 92 people in here and only 34 likes. This is not acceptable. I'm in a trade here and I need all the good luck I can get. So if we get some more likes in here, maybe we can start to dump this thing. If we get some more likes in here, maybe we can start to dump the NQ here and just run this bad boy all the way down. Run it all the way down here. Should I put my target down here? Bang. That'd be big. That'd be big right there. I need to find a way here to add. I need to find a way to just do one. Let me see. If I can get over here, maybe I right click. Right click. Sell stop. One. Right there, boys. We got one sell right there. And we're going to have one down here. One down here. Bang, bang. Boom, boom, baby. Boom, boom. And let me delete all these buy things up here because I'm in a short, baby. We don't want any of this bad luck. This is all bad luck up there now. So we delete that. We can start coming down. Appreciate it, Eric. Yep, appreciate it. Oh yeah, we back in the profit lands. We're back in the profit lands here, boy. It's time to dump. It's time to dump this thing, baby. Let's go. Give me a big old, give me a BBC right here. Big boner candle. Come on. A big old red boner candle right here. Give me a big old red boner candle. Yes, sir. Cash out at BBC. Big old red boner candle. I mean, if we get up to 69 likes here, there's no doubt we're getting a big old red boner candle. We're at 41. If we can get up to 69 likes, there's no doubt in my mind we're getting a big old red boner candle here. Oh, shoot. Oh, God. That would have been bad. Thanks, brother. Thank you. Man, at least I know I got one person in here paying attention to help me out here. At least I know I got one person in here paying attention. Nobody else noticed that. Can you believe that? Trying to sabotage me. You guys are trying to sabotage me, and I see it right. You guys are trying to sabotage me in here, dude. God, appreciate that. I don't. Raven? Is it Raven or Revan? Revan? I don't know how to pronounce your name, but thank you so much. Yo, Josh Allen. We got Josh Allen in here. We got an NFL superstar in the, sub. They subbed. Let's go. Yes, sir, Futch. If we can get this sale down right here, it'll be a fantastic morning for me here. Yeah, TTBs. Yeah, I didn't notice, I didn't notice, but I do now. And we're in this short here. Can we break through here? This is the bottom of the range right here. It's rejecting off of it. Rejecting off the bottom of that range. Can it dump through there for us? Can it dump through there? What's up, Stacking Bananas? In the chat here. We can get 69 likes. We'll get a big old boner candle. We only got 43, man. That is not going to do it for us here. We need 69 likes for the big old red boner candle. Yes, sir. Josh Allen could buy us all 150K accounts with his money. Hey, Josh Allen, if you buy us accounts, we will trade for you here every day. Give you the best trades every day. You're gonna catch winners all day long. No doubt. No doubt here. We start dumping down. If we get a closure belowsure here in about 20 seconds, that'd be beautiful to move it down. Closure belowsure right here, and then we can just dump it down. If we get a nice closure belowsure. 10 seconds. Can it do it? Can it do it? Can it do it? Go! A little bit more. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Dump it down. Let's see the dump now. Let's see the dump. Oh my God. You guys are some trolls in here. We had 43 likes. Now we got 42. You are some freaking... You guys are trolls. You know what? It don't matter. It's going to dump anyway. It doesn't even matter. We're going to get this dump down. We're going to get this dump down here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Dump it, baby. Dump it. Appreciate it, Avishal. Oh, God. Please don't do this to us. Please don't chop around here and come all the way back up to the highs. Not looking good here. Didn't even hit our break even. It did close below there, so can we get the dump? How's this 1 minute? It must still be holding this gap here. Still holding this 1 minute inversion gap. It's got to dump down below this gap here, man. It's got to get below this gap here so we can dump it down. Come on, dude. We got some like equal highs up here. Not liking that too much. Could very easily come up, stop us out up in here, and then redump. So that's why I'm kind of in big size here. My stop should really be kind of up here, you know. But we will see. Linda, yes, the fair value gaps or ICT strategy. I didn't study ICT. I just watch a bunch of people who use the fair value gaps, so I like it. Well, you know, I still feel like it's gonna dump, so I'm just gonna stay in this here. might turn out to be a bad idea here, but the bigger size, the quicker you can get out. That's what I always say here. Bigger size, the quicker I can get out of a trade if it goes down. I don't want the whole move. I just want my profit for the day. I'm looking for around 1,000 to 1,500 here. That's all I need here. That's all I need today, boys. So can we get a dumpy or a dumpy? Looking dumpy here. Oh yeah. Good to see. Good to see there, buddy, on the 1 minute. We got the 1 minute right here. Only thing that scares me is we got some kind of like inefficiency gap right here. I don't know what's going on there. I don't know what's going on there. We got some kind of like little inefficiency gap here that I hope it doesn't want to come back up and tap or feel or whatever they call it. But hopefully we just dump it down here. Come on, dude. Get down to that break even. Get down to that break even. Make me feel good. Come on, baby. Let's get the dump here, man. Let's get some action going this morning. It's because we got 100 people in here. We still don't have 69 likes, man. We get a 69 likes. We're getting that big old red boner candle. No doubt in my mind. I know it, but we just can't get there. We just cannot get there. Can we get down there, baby? Oh, come on. What's up, Krish? What's going on? Come on. Give us this dump right here. Ed of the Woods. No, I didn't make a Discord voice call. I just stream on YouTube here. I don't do any of the streaming in Discord. Discord just for hanging out. Right now, at least. If you guys want, maybe I'll start streaming there in the Discord. We're up 1,000. We're up 1,000. Oh, we were up 1,000. Should I just close it up here at the break even? That'd be big money here for this. We're up 930, 950, dude. See, this is where I struggle here. Oh yeah, yo Jim Blab. Luda Slade. See, I'm up big. So that's big risk means I can close the trade earlier. I'm thinking about closing it here. I don't know. We're at 1,000 right now. Just close it. I may just close it when it hits our break even right here. That'd be 1,100. I think I'm gonna do it, dude. Get out there at 1,100. If it can tap it. I do think it's gonna keep dropping, but just for this account at least. I mean, 1,100 is good consistency. Maybe I'll move it down here a little bit. If we can drop down. 1,500, and then as it comes down, I'll trail it. If we can get to 1,500, oh yeah. Dump it, baby. Oh no. Should I have closed it? It's about time for a green candle. I would have been out there. Smokey Bear Trades covered the shorts. Chandra says BE at least. War, what's up? What's up, War? God dog, man. I should have just closed it out. If it dumps down one more time, there we go. 1,090. Oh yeah. Let's get the dump here. Get down to 1,500. Dump it down, baby. Do it. Do it for daddy here. Come on. Woo! Woo! Dump it down for daddy. Come on. Hit that 1,500. You know you want to. You know you want. Oh, okay. Out there, 1,200. $1,200, baby. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. I told you guys this was a great entry. Everybody was getting worried. Everybody was getting worried here. Even I was getting worried up here. But I said, in this gap right here would be a great entry. Because I entered down here. And then when it started retracing, I said, this would be a great entry right here. You know, if I wish I would have waited, but it could have just dumped from here. So I just went ahead and got in. But as long as we stayed under this gap here, I knew we were good. But can we continue dumping is the question of the day here. You know, once we start breaking, I think we broke this trend line. I think we broke the trend line. It may be time to start dumping here, dude. It may be time to go to those. Yeah, boys. We broke the trend line. It's time to dump. It's time to dump. How far? I don't know. Maybe get a little bounce here. A little bounce. And something like this. May get something like this right here. Let's just move it up here. Boom. Boom. Okay. Get a little retrace here and keep on dumping. Woo-hoo! Linda, yeah, I can explain it here. So a fair value gap is basically where, so you take 3 candles, 1, 2, 3. The top wick of this candle doesn't touch the bottom wick of this third candle. So then you draw a box there, and that's your fair value gap. A lot of times price is gonna retrace in there or bounce there, but when it closes below, it has a good chance to continue down. Like right here, it closed below, and then it made another fair value gap right here. This one tapped into it and dumped. But a gap is just, a fair value gap is just a gap in the wicks. So from here to here's a gap. See, these wicks don't have a gap right in here. But here to here's a gap. That's basically a fair value gap. Oh yeah, baby. We up on the day. $1,200 in my pocket right there. $1,200 in my pocket. Look at it here on the 30-minute here. Look at it on the 30-minute here. Oh, my mic was muted. Bob's got to stop at 183. He's in the short. Pippin ain't easy. Yeah, Bitcoin is insane right now. Bitcoin is insane. Come on, baby. You closed below that range. You see that? We closed below the range. Retap of the range, and now I hope we don't retest this range again. Can we just dump it down? We got the break-even stops right there, so hopefully it just dumps. I mean it can at least go down here to these 145s easy, because look, we got this trend line here, and the reason I have my first one here is because this is like the first significant start of this. Like, you see, we got a trend here, and then it kind of pops up, and then it looks like we start a new trend. So my first TP is right here, because this is the start of this kind of like new. It's all one trend, but this here, it looks like the start of like this new trend up. So it could just come down to this TP1. Take out the start of this first like new trend here and then go back up. But it could go all the way down here and just take out this whole entire huge trend move. That's what we're hoping for. That's what we're hoping for. And if you're buying any prop firm accounts, please use code SLADE. I do all of this stuff on YouTube and Discord all for free. So it really helps me out when you use my code. I don't charge anything. I do this for the love of the game, baby. The love of the game. I could be sitting in my boxer shorts right now, just catching bangers, not even on YouTube. But I do it because it's fun and I like hanging out with everybody. So all I ask is if you just use my code when you buy some accounts, really helps me out. Mad Cow says, what TF do you draw your support and resistance, Slade? 5 minute. I thought TF you were meaning something else, but I see now you mean time frame. Yes, sir, Smokey Bear. You see, I got to get on it. Patrick Weiland posted a picture of his affiliates the other day, and I said, what in the world is going on here? Patrick Weiland's making $40,000 a day, and I'm just like, what in the world? I'm struggling to make $4 a day. But I draw my support and resistance on the 5-minute. I like the 5-minute time frame for the support and resistance. And then you also got to use some like, this is where time on the charts comes in, you know, because we didn't take this long here. Before I had longs drawn out, but I didn't take this long because my stop loss, if would have had to been all the way below this huge green candle right there. Stop loss would have been all the way, so that's kind of too big. I didn't really want to take it, so I waited, and then we saw this huge red candle that bounced inside of this fair value gap, and I was like, oh yeah, this could easily be a fake out to the upside to dump it down. And then we get this inversion, and I was all in from there. I wasn't gonna wait on it to close below the range. I saw this inversion, and I got real confident. That's why I entered. God dog, Smokey Bear Trades is doing 4K a day on affiliates. You must be like grinding on Reddit and stuff, and Twitter. You grinding. Ed of the Woods is opening price. See, all like I say a bunch of times, all this stuff lines up here, man. Where's opening price? Right here. Oh, we get the dump now, boys. TP1 smashed. Woo! Woo! We're dumping it down, baby. Look at the 30-minute here. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Let's get the dump, baby. Oh, yeah. We get to dump it down now, baby. Woo! Who's doing it like this? Exactly, Mad Cow. All this, you know, that's what I say, man. Any strategy works. It's really, you just got to have time on the chart. You got to know what's going on. You got to know what's going on. Who's catching moves like this? I don't see anybody. Everybody else is catching 10 points on 1-minute time frames here. We are killing it lately. Killing it, boys. What kind of move is this? I got to see here. Where's the little measuring tool at? Measure right there. Dude. 55 points there. Oh, yeah. Smokey Bear said, me said 40s in the 200s. Well, I also said 40, Smokey Bear. And I said 90, and I say 94 down here. We're gonna dump it. Mad Cow, I wish I had 20 Apex right now. I'm waiting, dude. I am waiting. I'm waiting on another 90% off sale. Just because, the only reason I'm waiting is because I like to get crazy on the evals. I take 20 of them and I full port them. Bang, full port, 20 of them. Let's go, Biblical. Congratulations. Glad we could help out. Glad we could help out. Yo, Huge Sky. Thanks, buddy. Huge Sky. Oh, yeah, this is looking great. Looking great to dump it down here, baby. Can we get the dump all the way down? Bob out at 138. Let's go, Bob. I'm glad it didn't hit your trailing stop here. I'm glad it didn't hit your trailing stop up here when it was at 183 and you got the move down. Let's go. Devin, we are killing it this morning, brother. I ain't gonna lie. We are killing it. We are killing it, baby. Smash that like button, guys. I mean, we got this huge trade right here, and we only got 65 likes. Yo, Gurmit, thanks for subbing. Ben Highland, thanks for the sub. We're dumping here. Can we get the full target? Can we get the full target down? Dumping. We dumping, baby. Coach Fred, let's go. Oh, don't worry, Devin. Don't you worry. I blew a funded last night. I blew one of these. Biblical with a $10 dono. Man, you're the man. Let's freaking go. Appreciate that, Biblical. Heck yes, man. Woo! Thank you so much, dude. Thank you. Don't worry, guys. I blow accounts too. I blew one last night. Just stupid Asia trading. But I got two right here. I'm going to buy another one today. Biblical says, yeah, baby, you literally got me 1,700 just now. My pro account. Let's go, dude. 1,700 in the pro account? That's sick, dude. I need to take profit immediately. I need take profit trader immediately. Dude, It's Colder says, Slade, how do I try a box to mark out fair value get? Over here, you go over here, there's a box. It says rectangle. You click it and you draw it. Just like that. Devin, you got to use code SLADE to get 80% off. Linda says, intraday drawdown, do you like it? Nobody likes intraday drawdown, but with Apex, it's worth it because you can trade 20 accounts. If you're only going to trade a few accounts at Apex, it's not worth it, you know. Nobody likes intraday drawdown. And take profit trader, it's worth it because once you get to the pro account, you have the trailing drawdown, but you can take daily payouts. Let's go, Doug. Got the short yesterday. Devin, mine's only 50% off. Did they go back to 50? Because all the affiliates should be the same percentage unless they run a special. Devin, I don't know that. They must have took off the 80% off sale then. Biblical says, I had 4 payouts in a row this week in Take Profit Trader Pro. Let's go, dude. That's sick. I want Take Profit Trader back so bad, dude. Next week, the only thing is I just hate the freaking evals, man. Next week I may try running some evals. On Take Profit Trader Pro. If Slade doesn't work, try copy. Yeah, try all the codes there, man. See if one of them gives you 80% off. Yeah, Linda. The secret with intraday is you got to take your profit scalps. You got to scalp. 10-point winners and get out. 10-point winners and get out. And then on my intraday, I will literally trail it. So as we started coming down here, I would trail it. I'd probably got stopped out somewhere, but you know, I just trail it down. As the price starts moving down, I trail there's different ways to do it. But I found that that's what works for me on intraday, at least until I get over the buffer. You know, I try to get over the buffer. I'll take and I'll trail it tightly with my stop loss. Okay, let's check out the Apex. Let's check it out. Let's see what it is here. Let's see. Let's try code TBM here. Yep, they went back to 50% off. Even code TBM isn't 80% off. It's still $83.50. So they're back to 50% off. Hopefully, this is what I'm thinking. This weekend for Memorial Day, right? This weekend's Memorial Day. They come out with a 90% Memorial Day sale. Don't take my word for it, but that's what I'm hoping. That's what I'm hoping. 50% Memorial Day sale. I mean, 90% would be amazing. If Apex does a 90% off Memorial Day sale, I'm buying 40 accounts, okay? I'm buying 40 and I'm copy trading the first 20. And then if I blow those, then on the next 20, I'm going to put them in groups. Oh, yeah, baby. Look at the dump. Look at the dump. Oh, yeah. If Apex does a 90% off sale, I'm getting 40 PAs. I'm getting 40 PAs. I'm copying the first 20. No doubt in my mind here. God, look at this analysis here. Smokey Bear, you said the 40s. I said the 90s, baby. Come on. Heck yeah. Oh, yeah. Can we hit that full TP right there? Can we hit that full TP, baby? Dump it. Woo! Oh, yeah. There it is. Who is doing it like this? Who is doing it like this, chat? Nobody. Nobody's catching trays like this. Nobody. They say support and resistance doesn't work. Support and resistance, trend lines. I'm here to show you the simple stuff works. You don't have to spend 3 months studying ICT just to get confused, when you can just use some lines on your screen and make money. You can make money with lines here on your screen, baby. You can make some money. All you need is some lines and you can make all kinds of money. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Mario Molina with the sub. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Oh, yeah. There it is. There it is. Let's take the old screenshotty right here so we can tell everybody on Twitter how good we did today. We can tell them how good we did. Let's just tell them. Let's tell them all how good we did. Take a screenshot. Boom. It's downloaded. And we caught it. Yeah, Ed of the Woods. I don't know anything I can do about it, honestly. I've tried. I've asked a bunch of people, and they said there's not really anything you can do. I do go through the Discord almost every day and remove all of the I go through the Discord channel and remove all the impersonators from my Discord. But about the friend requests and stuff, yeah, just report them. I'll never like add you as a friend unless we talk about it before. You know, if we talk about it and I say I'm gonna message you or add you as a friend, then I'll do it. But yeah, just report them, ban them or whatever. That's what I do. I ban them from the freaking Discord. I'm about to go in here right now and see if there's any stupid impersonators in here. Yeah, so there's none right now in our Discord, so that's good. But look at that. Look at that. Banger trade. Banger, banger, banger. Banger trade. Well, that was sweet, guys. I mean, I don't know what much else I can do here. We got Wheel the Black Swan in here. Let's go. Let's go. Wheel the Black Swan is in here with a sub. It's a good Thursday morning for sure right there. It's a good Thursday morning. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, buddy. Trina says news in 28 minutes. Yeah, I think I'm gonna hop off here early today. We caught this banger trade. I don't have a reason to stay here looking at these charts, getting FOMO. We caught the trade. We did it. No, my full TP was hit right there. I don't have any other targets. So yeah. I think I'm about to get off here. Well, hang on. We got a question. Devin said, what jewelry you making today, bro? You should post a vid in the Discord. I want to see you do, bro. See what you do, bro. Oh, yeah, dude. I'll send something. I don't know if I'm making anything today. I made something yesterday. It's in the Discord. I think I posted it. I made something yesterday right here. I made this yesterday. Looks pretty sweet. Nice looking little ring there. Got the old design on the side right there. Got some diamonds in the side right here. Looks pretty good. Looks, you know, I think it's a good looking ring. But yeah. Let's go. Oh yeah, Mad Cow, you gotta join the Discord. We're always hanging out in here. We don't have a bunch of stuff in here. We keep everything clean and simple. We got the chat, we got the profit and loss, we got the charts. If you want to post your trades and stuff in here.
Shopping with your.
We got the news. You can check news out every day. I post a daily Bible verse in here every day. I post, you know, I started running, so I started running in here. I post the run, so you can post if you're doing some workouts or something, post in there. Little trader quiz, just basic 9-question quiz you can take to earn a blue name in the Discord. If you take the quiz, you earn a blue name. And I'm going to add to this. I haven't added anything here. You can share your strategy. If you have a strategy that's working for you, just post it in here. And then I've got a little psychology section. You can post some psychology stuff in there. I posted something in there yesterday, so it wasn't empty. But yeah, that's the Discord right there. Let's go, Trina. Appreciate it. Fifth Day Aviator says, how much profit was that? I closed out early. I closed out for 1,214 on my on this instant account. I was in 2 minis here, kind of big size, but it would have been like what, like $4,000 if I held it. It would have been like 4,000, I think it was. It said if I held the whole thing down here. So, but I didn't do that. Yo, ASFX is in here. We got a celebrity in the chat. Austin is here. Let's go. Austin, we just caught this banger right here before work. It's sweet when you can catch a banger that makes you buttload of money right before work. Mad cow. I went in 2 minis here. I closed it literally like right here. But yeah, because I hit the consistency rule. But if I would have held this, if this was like Top Step or something and I held the whole thing, dude, that would have been $4,000. But I kind of was in big size there, but it paid out. It played out. Yes, sir. Austin's in here. Austin is in here. Look at that, dude. That's perfect. That was perfect. Starting to get a little bounce now after hitting the full TP there. Yeah, well, I had a stop. I had a good stop. I got in here. My stop was like, this is like a 1-to-1 RR. I took about a 1-to-1 RR here. So I was risking 1,000 to make 1,200 here. But yeah. I try to go for at least a 1-to-1 RR. So, but yeah, man. Well, guys, I think I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to have me an early morning. Probably going to, I don't know, eat a good breakfast now. Eat me a good breakfast. Eat some brekkie. Probably going to, get this daily Bible verse in and just hang out. We got news here in about 20 minutes. So, yeah. Hope you guys have a good day. Let me know how you do in the Discord. Let me know how you're doing down in the Discord. And, yeah. Hope you guys have a good day. I'll see ya. Peace. See you tomorrow.
Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold. Money rain from the sky, go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest, go gangster, simply the best. Tick-tock, the time goes by, golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more, go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold. Money rain from the sky, go gangster touching high. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every grade, every hold. Money rain from the sky, go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest.